Hello, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will introduce you a new model guest paging system, TD177. And here is the package. We have the US and Euro and UK and AU plug. You can choose the one that you need. And you can see the package is packed very well. And here is the menu. And this is the charging base. It can charge 10 pages. Now you can see. And here is the key to set ID and the charging port. And you can see there are jack which you can also install and mount on the wall. And this is for the second one. You can put another base on this one. And for this hole, you can use it for wall mounted. And this is the charger for this charging base. And those are the 10 pages. 10 pages. And this is the keypad and the antenna and the charger. And also there are screws which you can use for wall mounted, and the cable. For this system, it's very good, and the range is about 500 meters in open area. And for this keypad transmitter, you can see it has two methods to power on. One is to use the AAA battery to power on. Another one is to plug directly to power the keypad. And also this is the key to turn on. For this part, you can connect the computer to do the programming. And for this system, it's very useful. First, in this key, for this power key, with this power key, after pairing the pager with the keypad, you can press this key to turn on the pagers and turn off all the pagers as well. In addition, you can also put on the pagers in a charging base with power to power on the pager, and also use this key. It's very convenient. And for the functions, it can also one key to pair all the pagers, and also you can change the ID by press one key, and it's very convenient to set. And it also has the vibration and the flash and beep mode. You can come by freely, and also it has the countdown function and the time countdown out of range. And for more specifications, you can also check the menu, or also contact us directly by email. And this is the simple introduce of this product. And for more information, email us at support@retekess.com. And thank you.